I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 145, and today we're talking about the estimated seller net sheet. It's actually part 7 in our 12-part series on listing your home for sale. The spring market is right around the corner, and this series is going to give you all the information you need to be ready. Selling is a big financial transaction. It's likely the home is likely the largest piece of your financial puzzle. The offer is just the top dollar amount. There are other items that affect the seller's bottom line, such as commissions, closing cost assistance. Those are the most common. Something that the sellers often don't think about is the land transfer, county, and state taxes. The seller estimated net sheet is a form that we use as agents to drill down on those additional fees and show you, the seller, what the amount really looks like after it's all been taken out. Selling a home is a big decision, and big decisions need to be based on knowledge and never emotion. Facts are always going to be your friend. If you like these videos, there's plenty more of them over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, and I'm on most popular social media sites like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.